Lines and intercepts application. Find area of the triangle formed by the coordinate axis and the line x minus 2y equals to 6. Now, to solve such problems, it's a good idea to find x and y intercepts first. Sketch the line and then find the triangle area. Okay, so let's start with the equation of the line itself, which is given to us as x minus 2y equals to 6. Now, to find x-intercept, what should we do? To find x-intercept, we can place y as equals to 0, right? So if I write y equals to 0 here, I get x minus 0 equals to 6, or x-intercept value x equals to 6, right? So that is my x-intercept. So let me start with the equation of the line as equation number 1 and x-intercept as equation 2. So we get x-intercept and the coordinates of the points will be 6, 0, correct? Now let's find the y-intercept. To find y-intercept, we'll place x equals to 0. Now in this equation number 1, if I write y equals to 0, in this equation number 1, if I write x equals to 0, since I need to find y-intercept now, I get 0 minus 2y equals to 6. Dividing by minus 2, we get y equals to minus 3, right? 6 divided by minus 2. And therefore, the y-intercept is 0 minus 3. Now let's sketch the line with both these intercepts and see which area we're talking about. X-intercept is 6, 0. So that means somewhere here, right? The y-intercept is 0 minus 3. Let us say this is minus 3 for us. So the line joining these 2 points will represent x minus 2y equals to 6. So let me just roughly join them, right? So that is the line which is x minus 2y equals to 6, right? Now in this line we got x-intercept of 6, 0. That means this length from origin to the x-intercept is 6, right? The y-intercept is minus 3. So this point is minus 3, or the length is always positive, correct? So the length will be 3. Now as you can see, this line forms a triangle with the coordinate axis. We need to find area of this triangle, right? So we need to find area of this triangle. That is what we are interested in finding. So what is the area of this triangle? Now let's say the points are O, A and B. So the triangle area, that is triangle OAB, is equals to half base times height. That is half. Now base, as you can see, is OA, which is 6. And the height is 3. Remember, we are taking height, the distance, which is always positive. Area is a positive quantity, right? So always take positive values. So that gives us a value. Half of 6 is 3 and 3 times 3 is 9. Correct? So that is the area. So we can write down our answer as 9 units square. So it's kind of important to put units also. So if the units are not given to us, we can always write 9 units square, right? Now we did develop a formula for this, and was c square divided by 2 times coefficients of a and b. Now c square is what for us? 6 square. 6 square is 36, right? 36 divided by 2 times coefficient of x and y. So 2 times 1 times 2. 36 divided by 4 is 9, right? So if you look into my earlier video where we say, well, if this is the equation, in general, area of the triangle is equals to c square divided by 2 times ab, right? So if I substitute the values, I do get the same value, which is 6 square divided by 2 times 1 times b, which is 2. So we have to take absolute values, right? We do get 9. So this formula really helps if you are doing multiple choice questions and you need to get a fast answer. Okay, so look into my video which starts with this playlist and then apply that also to check your answer. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.